Good morning. Bright and early. We are just outside of Yosemite. We finished that. We are leaving today. We are at 1,000 Trails. And so you can see that we're all parked back here. Got to finish tearing things down. We're right by this river back here behind us. It's cold this morning. It's about in the 40s each morning. We are at about 4,000 feet elevation right now. We've got a ways to go because going down the hill we'll hit about 800 when we get down to the freeway. So we got to get moving. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Tigner Adventures. We are on a travel day today. So we are leaving the Thousand Trails Yosemite Park, and we are going to be working our way down the mountain. So it's going to be a slow down. Wow. Hopefully we've learned how to downshift and everything. So we're going to try it, and we are going to work on getting down the mountain safely. So let's get to it.
The stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away, show us where we are. What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Undressed when it's cold, and don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes, until winter comes. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are.
We have made it down off the mountain. The worst of the down is down, and let's see, we are currently, we're still a little ways up, but just checking out the rig here, make sure everything's good, and we'll continue on down the mountain. But we got a nice view of a lake right here where we pulled over. Ninette is checking out the flowers over there. Here's some nice pretty purple flowers. Yeah, life is good. Look, there's even a yellow one there. Whoops, we have one more really steep section to go through here.
Is this the way we came?
No.
see other big vehicles. It's always a comforting thing.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
Well, we have made it to Las Vegas. What a day. A lot of long driving. So anyway, we are all hooked up here. It was a hot day going through California, and those roads are so rough, it's amazing. But anyway, we are hooked up here. We're staying at the Thousand Trails in Las Vegas. We're going to be here for a couple nights, and then we're going to be heading north to St. George to deal with some family business. My dad passed away and this morning, and so we are going to get things fixed up here. We got a couple things to do on the rig while we're in Vegas, and then we're going to go up to St. George tomorrow and be with the rest of the family. So it's family time, so you got to make arrangements for that within your schedule, and we had that planned. This has been a long time coming. He was 97 and a half years old. What a go-getter. I mean, he just always went. So the last few months he declined rapidly, and he passed this morning. So that's how it goes. That's such is life, and we want to celebrate his life. He led a good life, great family. So I got great siblings, and my mom is still here, and she is carrying on like a trooper. She's doing very well. So I told her that it was okay to cry and mourn, that she needed to grieve at some point here, but and it's really tough. When Ninette leaves for a week to go stay with the kids, it's tough to be in the rig by yourself. So in her case, she's in a house by herself now. So anyway, well, we have made it to St. George, Utah. So
what a ride.
Yep, what a ride.
California.
From California. That was a long, rushed trip, so that we're now here.
Climb.
Yeah, we're now here. So we're going to take care of some family business now. With my dad passing, we got a lot of whatevers to do with the family. So we're here. We're going to be doing this, and the funeral is in a couple days. So we'll be heading. The rest of our spring 2025 trip will be done here in a couple more days as we head up to Salt Lake City, where he will be buried. So anyway, that's what we got to do. We appreciate everyone's support during this time, and it was something that was coming for a while. I mean, a decade. Can you imagine living for a decade? That's a long time. So Anyway, 97.5 years is how long he lived. And the last few months we expected things, expected this time to come. So that helped prepare a lot of what's going on.
Your
So
mom.
yeah, my mom is dealing with it very well. And like we said in past videos, my sisters have been taking care of my parents, and so that's been very helpful for us. So anyway, so that ends this video. And if you at the end of this video, actually once this is done here, we're gonna play some pictures and things of his life, and so you can see that too. But anyway, thanks for coming along with us on this adventure. The motorhome performed very well, and learning how to drive it helps out, other than it's rough. But we got to look into that a little bit. I think we need new shocks for sure. And but other than that, we did pretty good. So we'll just keep on working on it, and we're just breaking it
Working
in.
out the kinks.
Yeah, working out all the kinks. So anyway, so thanks for coming along. We'll catch you on our next video, or down the road somewhere. So you guys take care.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain. There's a new day to take away your sorrow, and the old ways get washed out by the rain. Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me. Darling, you've got to keep